Hello, worthwhile crew. I know it's been a while since the last video here on the channel. I've had some personal issues that made me step away for a bit, but I'm back, stronger than ever. I want to take a moment to sincerely thank all of you who stayed here, patiently waiting for my return. Rest assured, I'm now committed to bringing you new videos much more regularly and with even better quality. For this comeback to be a success, I really need your support. Please hit the like button on this video, leave a comment down below, and share it with someone you think would enjoy the content. This helps YouTube recognize our return and allows the video to reach more people. So, shall we restart this journey together? Let's go. In my previous content, I reviewed the internet's most viral portable projector, the Magic Cubic HY300. It's a popular choice for buyers, just like the Magic Cubic HY320. In today's video, I'll share my experience with these projectors, rate them to help you make an informed choice, and discuss the common issues with cheaper portable projectors. Let's start by understanding what each projector offers and their price range. Here's the HY300, the most basic and viral model of the Magic Cubic line. It's available for around £40 to £65, depending on whether you buy it from Amazon or AliExpress, where you might find even better deals. This projector is super portable, has a built-in speaker, manual focus, Android system with Wi-Fi, and is compatible with mobile phones, HDMI, and other devices, working just like a TV. You can install apps on it, and it offers HD image quality with beautiful colors. For the price, it delivers a lot, and within minutes you'll see the value of the investment when you project it on a wall. That's why it went viral. On the other hand, the HY300 isn't perfect. For instance, when reading text on the screen, you may notice that even after adjusting the focus, part of the screen will remain slightly blurry. Additionally, there's some light leakage on the sides, which is common in cheaper projectors. Despite its impressive performance, I wouldn't recommend it for gaming. It's better suited for watching multimedia content. You can use it with a PC, but text might appear a bit blurry. Another point is that if it's left on for many hours, it can overheat, and there are reports of screen burn-in. This reduces its durability, but considering the £40 cost, if it lasts a year, it's already a good deal. Moreover, replacement parts aren't usually worth it, as the price is so low that buying a new one might be more practical. Now, if you're looking for the best value for money, I recommend the Magic Cubic HY320, an upgraded version of the HY300. It retains all the features of the previous model, but stands out with its native Full HD resolution, which is rare for projectors in this price range. It costs between £55 on AliExpress and £105 on Amazon. The HY320 offers a larger projection, with a distance of up to 3 meters or more, and can play 4K content, even though the native resolution is 1080p. It also has an Android system, allowing you to install apps and even run PlayStation 1, arcade and PSP games, as well as cloud gaming like Fortnite via Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's like having a projector, a TV box, and a mini console all in one device, for around £55. It supports screen mirroring, connects to external speakers, and can be used with gaming consoles, performing well with no noticeable delay. For me, it's the best value for money on the market. However, like the HY300, the HY320 isn't perfect. Its durability is uncertain, but given the price, if it lasts 1 or 2 years, it's worth it. One important note, neither of these projectors is ideal for use in well-lit environments. They're designed for dark settings, which explains their low price. Projectors for bright environments tend to be much more expensive. Finally, keep in mind that these projectors don't completely replace a TV. While useful, TVs have more features, especially in bright rooms. But with a white wall or even a curtain, you can create a home cinema experience with either of these projectors. In summary, the drawbacks of these projectors are outweighed by their excellent value for money. The HY320 is my top pick, followed by the HY300. If this video helped you, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your opinion. The links to the projectors are in the description. Cheers, and see you next time. We're in this together.